Eversafe offers commercial metal buildings that are versatile and easily customized for virtually any application. With offices and insured crews in Florida, Eversafe can design a commercial warehouse to support your business. Add a custom showroom or office for a flex space style warehouse. Commercial metal buildings can support large storage racks and are easily insulated. Customize one or all your garage door sizes to meet your daily operational needs. Large commercial RV and boat storage buildings can be designed with tall multiple bay doors for an easily accessible clear span unobstructed interior. This 60 by 100 commercial metal building is perfect for machine shops that require custom features such as portable chain hoists, large industrial fans, commercial paint booths, and exhaust systems. Eversafe commercial banquet halls can be designed with architectural appeal with covered walkways, large commercial-sized windows, glass roll-up doors, and hybrid features such as a gable overhang or lean-to.
We do paint, bodywork in here. The building has been fabulous.
No leaks, the doors work perfect, and so far I've been tickled pink with it. We're extremely pleased with the quality of the building.
For a commercial metal building in Florida that you can afford, call 1-800-374-7106.